Hello from VOLTACON, a brand new video today with another ESS 5.5 kilowatt. The inverter is connected to the grid. It feeds power to the AC loads in parallel with the grid if it is required. The battery is now talking to the inverter. You can see the icon is flashing. In this experiment we use a Pylontech US5000. Dip switch 1 is on, the other switch is off. This is a master battery with the right BMS cable. The COM port is connected back to our USB using the programming cable. We prefer to use this cable, it's more stable, faster, and you can also use it for a firmware update. So back to our screen, the solar power is working fine. We set this inverter in mode backup 2 and the VD is 0126, 240 volts, which is closest to the grid voltage in our days. I don't recommend you to use 230 anymore. I can untick this option. We don't want to feed the energy back to the grid. It is purely for self-consumption. The AC charger can be modified accordingly. So the system works absolutely fine. Settings are saved here. No errors, no issues with this inverter. You have to be sure that the energy meter is also communicating with the inverter. Please check the screen of the Eastron meter. The telephone icon should be permanently on. More settings on the parameters here. You can check when you want the battery to start discharging, or when the grid is available or unavailable. All these are parameters that can be set to meet your requirements. Feeding grid power calibration 0, maximum feed 5.5 kilowatt. This can be from the AC input, or it can be combined between the AC input and the AC output. Here we are, the AC input connected to the grid. The AC output is switched off, but if you switch it on from the main button, you can power some critical loads that are not connected to the grid. Whatever load you put on the AC output has to be disconnected from the grid. It has to be completely independent. Thank you for watching this video.